what about a cat pretending to be a bird?
That might work, yes. Well, that one's not really working. Polly Pocket. The parrot? I don't think so.
Hey, Blondie!
You could go.
What?
Go on then, down you get, sweetie. It's not quite right.
Have a Colin Walker. You'll love Colin. He's a redhead.
Yeah, please love Colin.
Oh, yeah.
Please, really, really, really love Colin into your house.
Just love a ball.
We've got to wait for the other one to go. It stress her too much. Too
He
old.
stresses me too much. Bless him.
Too old, too stressy.
Oh, Colin's the one that does the sit down really quickly.
Yeah, he does sit down. That's about all he can manage. I can sit really fast and I can lay down really fast. Oh my God, my head's exploded. Yeah.
I want to drink
He's
it.
not the sharpest collie we've ever had, is Colin. He got the looks.
He's got the looks.
He got the looks.
But he's a look.
Unfortunately, the brain just appeared to be in his big toe.
You down there with all these big.
Oh, don't sit.
Right, let me relieve you of Max. And,
Vaughn.
then
Good boy, Vaughn.
get Colin out for me.
You're not right, are you?
Oh, hello, Blondie. You're getting in on the act.
Come on, Ronnie.